there, model fans. How are you? Welcome back to Watson's Models. Today, before the ceremony of Sakitas, did you see the intro video to this video? The delivery guy? I'll explain to you what's in that box in just a second, but I got a case of the ass about that. Okay, so, Sturmtiger. A while back, when I went to Florida, I showed you guys a model that I picked up dirt cheap down there. It's an older version of the Tiger 1, right? Old hang-along deal, plastic, you know. It's interesting. It's got some extra little dialage on the bottom. But anyways, we're going to do our first kit bash on an RC tank, converting this into a Sturmtiger by replacing the upper hull with one from Motto. And I just happened to order one, and it was in the box that you saw flung up against my garage door. So I have it on video. If this thing's broken, all hell's gonna break loose. So let me show you what I got going on so far. Padding house decals. Now this is what the end result is. This is what we're looking for. All right, when I'm done with this conversion. There's the decal set, and I have metal reinforcement for the hull coming. New road wheels, because if you use the existing road wheels on this tank, it'll be the prototype version. They went to steel road wheels without the rubber road wheels that the Tiger had. So they're more or less like something you would get on a King Tiger or something like that. But anyhow, so those are on the way. And then I believe I have a set of metal control arms or something. I don't know. Let's see. Let me think about this for a minute. We got the hull, the decals, the road wheels. Oh, the sprocket and idler wheels. So we're going to have a full metal suspension. I've already got metal track here from when I purchased this vehicle. And that's it. So let's open this box up. You're going to watch me do it, because if it ain't right, I'm going to lose my marbles. Let me adjust the camera. All right, I need my handy dandy box opener. Now you'll see on this box, fragile, handle with care, don't stack or drop, and keep it dry. What did this delivery service do? They threw it, they let it sit out in the snow, and basically violated everything that they're asking them to do. Now this thing did come all the way from China. But the box seems okay and nothing's rattling, so let's open this up. Hopefully we're okay. I'm gonna have to lodge a complaint. I got no problem lodging complaints. I'll file a grievance. Now, boys and girls, you really should be cutting away from yourself. All right. Here's how it's packed. So it looks like they've taken some precautions here. Lots of bubble wrapping. That's good. Rolled up somehow. Please be in good shape. Looks like it survived the trip. Very nice. Now, there's some additional accessories. I don't know what the hell that is, but I'm assuming that's the crane for back here, because, you know, these guys had to load a pretty large shell through the back of this thing. And it survives the trip. It survived the trip, folks. Had some pretty decent molding there with the cables and stuff, pulleys. Anyways, it's keyed. Fits a certain way. Then there's looks like there's some mounting holes in the thing here, but it's not adjustable, so, you know, the guy's going to have to make some adjustments later on. But the barrel is lit. There will be some modifications that need to be made. But from my understanding, these mounting holes are supposed to line up with the Tiger 1 hang-along setup. So, that's it. Stay tuned. As more parts come in, I'll show you what they are, and we will work towards this project, all right? In the meantime, stay tuned, hang out, do whatever. Check out all the gearing in here. Oh, okay. The gun does go side to side and up and down. Nice. Well, I'm so anxious, I want to do a hole swap right away. But you can see that the length of everything is right on. Of course, you'd have to remove the air cleaners in the back, because well, they'll stay on this chassis. No, they won't. They're coming off. Make up your mind, Watson. That's going to be cool. Have you figured it out? I do things because they're cool. I still think I'm a teenager because it's cool. You know, I drive cool cars because it's cool. It's got to be cool. Yeah. Get out there and fix something, manipulate something, kit bash something. Here.